Hi. This tutorial will show you how to adjust vertices or anchor points of object in Illustrator. Create a rectangle. With the selection tool, we only able to move whole object or scale in some directions. To change vertices position, click on the direct selection tool in left side panel. Double-click on any vertex to active move. Let's try with pen tool and draw some curve shape. Direct selection tool also can help us update curve path. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe my channel.